Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Stephen Adetodu. You see, today's episode I want to share a personal experience and while also advising you to uh, to take action, immediate action. You see, I have a friend, uh, a believer, a Christian. This guy is good. I mean, he's a righteous person. I mean, if you understand what I mean, okay. But something happened in his place of work and he got laid off for no fault of his. Okay, this can happen to anyone, anybody. Okay, who does a 9 to 5. I do a 9 to 5. It could have been me. It could be anybody. So which is why the focus on today's message is to help you not to depend on your job, because there is an expiry date for your job. It's just that you do not know when or how it will happen, but it will definitely happen as long as you do not own that job. Okay, you would leave that job someday. I once met a coach who told me, he said, how can you work for 5 years, 10 years, 15 years, and after which you say you don't have a job anymore? Okay, even if you are laid up today, okay, understanding the concept that I'm discussing today will help you prepare. And which is why, one, I tell people when you go into a job, when you start your job, please don't make any your primary focus. Instead, make learning your focus. Okay, a job is God's blessings to anybody who understands this concept, and this is what I'm trying to drive home today. Make it a platform where you learn. Okay, practical, hands-on experience, because you are better off than a lot of lecturers who speak, who teach from theoretical perspective. But here you are having hands-on experience in your job, and it's going to help you in the future if you understand the concept that I'm teaching you today. Okay, it's going to help you start up your business. Most people, unfortunately, they work 5 years, they work 10 years, they work 15, 20 years. Okay, and after which perhaps they are laid off or they have to quit, whatever, or retire. Okay, and they end their life in penury. It's not supposed to be. Okay, and once you understand the concept of learning, more of learning instead of earning, you would go to that job with the purpose of acquiring skills. It's not about the salary, because if you are able to acquire the right skills, okay, the money is going to come much later. Okay, you could spend 5 years, 10 years, 15 years, or you retire and then start up your business. That's a new phase. And I want you to know, starting a job is a phase. Okay, once that chapter closes, another phase starts. This is to help you understand the concept of a job being a chapter. Ending that job is another chapter where you take your experience, okay, and begins to serve with your experience. You serve a need or you solve a problem, and you ask yourself, what problem can my skill, can my knowledge, can my experience, what problem can it solve? Package this experience in the form of a product or a service and deliver it. I hope I am making sense with this concept. I got this, it just dawned on me after this, my friend lost his job. And I realized, okay, which is why you must endeavor, okay, to be intentional about learning a skill in that your job. So it is no longer about the money. Like I said, the money is going to come, but you must make it a priority to acquire a necessary skill, a skill that will be instrumental to you launching a business that is going to solve a problem or meet a needs. So what problem, what need can my skill, can my knowledge solve? And then understanding how to package this and in exchange. Napoleon Hill, in his book, Think and Grow Rich, okay, taught me a principle. There is no such thing as something for nothing. In essence, if you want to be successful, if you want to be rich, if you want to attract more money, then you must define what you are willing to give in exchange for the money that you desire. So what problem are you willing to solve with your skill? And I end with this. Do not depend on your job. It is not a guarantee. My late Miles Moreau of blessed memory taught me this principle. Your job is what you are paid to do, and your work is what you are called to do. At the end of your job, there's always work to do. How can you align your skill with the work you were created to do? The work you were created to do will never end. Your job will expire, but the work you were created to do is God's gift to keep you going in life. So you must learn to monetize your skill in alignment with the work you were created to do. For this is God's pathway to your provision. I hope this adds value to your life. I end with this. Every successful, genuinely wealthy, genuinely successful, genuinely rich people today have these two things in common. They're either solving a problem or serving a need. Understand this concept. Learn that skill, acquire that experience, monetize in alignment with the work you were called to do. This, my friend, is the pathway to continuous provision. I hope this adds value to your life. Please subscribe to this channel. That is, if you have not yet done so, for I churn out life transforming videos and concepts where I share my practical, my hands-on experience with you. It revolves around money. Money is important, and which is why I am focused on money. We need money to lead a comfortable life, 2, to advance God's work, and then 3, to be a blessing, to be a gift to humanity. I hope to see you in the next video. Cheers.